Okay, today I'm going to tell you how I add washi tape to a painting in my journal. To start with, I've got my journal. This is made by Archer and Olive, and I like these because the paper is really thick. You can tell I still have a little bit of buckling because I worked really wet, but that doesn't really bother me. I actually kind of like it. The other thing you will need is an X-Acto knife with a very sharp point. I usually use a new blade when I'm getting ready to do this because you just want to be able to cut through the washi tape without cutting through the paper underneath. Now, washi tape comes in all different sort of sizes and patterns and colors. It is a kind of sort of transparent, sticky, repositionable tape that comes from Japan. And I got really addicted to it with the colors and patterns, and I like adding them to my work. So I'll show you what I'll do. I'll start small with this little tail. And you see, you just tear off a piece and you stick it down, and you can see the drawing through the tape because it's transparent. And then all you have to do is very carefully cut around the drawing like this. Now you don't want to push very hard because that will cut the paper underneath. So you cut around it and then you just carefully peel it up. And see, that adds a pattern. I'll do another of the tail feathers. Just cut through like that. And there you have it. So let's try some of the other patterns that I have here. I have this one that's a nice sort of checked pattern. We'll start doing that up here on this part of the wings. I try and be frugal with it. Like once I cut the wing out, I'll have this part that's extra. I can save that and use that on a different place in the painting. You don't want to waste it because the stuff, it's not cheap. So there you go. Peel that off. And let's see if this piece, will it fit? No, I'm going to get that white stripe. Will it fit down here? Yes, it'll fit down here. So let's add some down here. Like that. And then let's keep going with it. Will any of it fit on the tail? There we go, a little bit for on the tail. And one more, and that will probably use up this piece. There, that might be as much as I can get out of that piece. So now let's try, this is quite a thick piece. It's a little bit harder to pull up, but let's see what I can get out of this. I think I like the looks of this vintage lettering, so I'll put it on the lettering part like that. Once you get the hang of using the knife, you can use it really quite quickly. It's just like drawing with a pencil, really. So there's that. Let's see what else we've got here. There's more lettering, or there's music. Kind of like the part with the music. Let's use some of that. Oh yeah, that'll look nice. Let's scooch it over. You see how you can reposition it? It really doesn't stick that hard. That way we can get the most use possible out of this piece. Sometimes I even just cut out little pieces like the little butterfly there or something and add that to a drawing. That can be fun. There we go. We'll save that. I have a glass top here. This is made by Tim Holtz, this glass work surface, and so I can stick pieces down on there. So, let's see, maybe let's use this one. This is kind of a neat old map look to it. The bigger ones, it's kind of hard to peel it up without it tearing because it's very thin washi tape. So let's try moving it around until I get it where I like it. And there's the line. And there's the line. Oops, now you see that one, I was careless. I didn't get it quite up to the edge, but you can go back in with a marker and fill that in. Here I've got, this is a Tombow brush marker, and just go in, try the pointier end, there, and fill that in a little bit, like that. Okay, now this one, let's see, I kind of like this sticker right here. See how that looks like a travel sticker? So let's cut that part out. Here we go. So you can see how it works with the washi tape. I'll just go around and I'll do each of the feathers like that with different patterns of tape, and it adds a whole new interesting collage dimension to your journal pages. And I hope you enjoyed seeing that, and I hope you enjoyed trying it for yourself. Thanks for watching.